Hi, it's Zen the Crypto Queen, and I have a Facebook page of the same name, and I'm on Twitter at XRP Crypto Queen. Just want to say a few things. If you could subscribe if you get value out of this content and hit that bell notification, it would surely be appreciated, as well as a thumbs up. If you would like to sign in for a one-on-one meeting, please text me at 310-503-6349 or email me at zendevon.com. Please put crypto in the subject line. And I am trying to avoid PayPal, so I take Zelle, Venmo, Cash App. But we can talk about that when we book your one-on-one, okay? Listen, I want to make clear that I never recommend that people put more than 5 to 10%, and if you're a risky type, such as myself, 15 to 20% max of your net worth. That's it. 5 to 10% in precious metals, balance in other things. No fiat currency in banks, please. So there's, I don't give financial advice, just sharing what I do, but that would be the breakdown for me. So I'm just sharing that with you, okay? Get all your crypto on a Ledger S or X, both are fine. Make sure you update the software, and they do send a few videos along with that, how to do it. But if you are in need of one-on-one, just hit me up and I will help you out, okay? I wanted to say that and then let you know that all the links for everything I'm describing, all exchanges, hot wallets, all that stuff, Ledger included, are in the description box. So let's move ahead. I'm going to show you today how to move Doge off of BITTREX and into my online hot wallet. Now, I will do this, and then I'm taking as you can see, I only have about $2,000 on my Exodus total in my hot wallet. Okay, I'm going to move all of this to a Ledger. That'll be a whole separate video. So today I'm going to take this Doge and I'm going to hit withdraw. Okay, so what happens is I am going to go like that because I'm taking it all. I'm going to receive it, and here's where it pops up my address, and then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go back to BITTREX, and I'm going to put that address right in there. Okay, so there it is. It looks like it figured out that I need to pay a transaction fee of 5 Doge, which is fine. And now I'm going to click withdraw Doge. Please enter your 2-factor. Oh, it would do this because I just put my phone on the charger. Let me go get that. It's making me get up. But let me do it. Okay, here we go. BITTREX. Okay, so these pop up every 30 seconds, so it's not like you can do anything with my code. So there it is. All right. Let's see if it came through yet. Oops. That's another video. No, that's another video. I already did this. What's happening? Oh, duh. It's right here. All right. So what happened there? Huh. Do. Okay, 2207. All right, fine. We're going to do the withdrawal code. Again, let's try it again. I don't know what happened there. But sometimes these things happen, so it's best to just roll with it. All right, let's see. 905 390. Withdraw Doge. Oh, I see what happened here. Okay, let me take my phone with me this time. All right, so see, I didn't take a look at the numbers either. So this time we're going to do it right. Let's do Transaction fee. So that would be 12. Okay, so and that's what I have available to withdraw. Well, I don't understand this, so let's see. Let's do 2210. Total withdrawal 2205. That should work. I'm not understanding what their problem is. That would be 10. Oh, I see. Okay, this will probably work now. All right. You have to add the fee. Duh. I don't know why I wasn't getting that through my head. Probably because I haven't done this in a while, which is why I'm doing it for you. Your available is not sufficient for this trade. Well, how much is available to withdraw? All right, so this should actually be 07. Total withdrawal. Will this work? I don't understand why this isn't working. Okay, 003 904. Maybe one of you can explain it to me. I don't understand this. All right, let's move 1,000 of it for today. You're available. All right, let's cancel this. What is happening here? All right. There's the address. Oh, you know what? You dummies. There it is. Oh my God. All right. Sorry about that. But see, that just goes to show you that no matter how versed you are in all this stuff, you can still make mistakes like that. So, yeah, you have to account for your fee to move it. And, you know, frankly, 5 Doge is not much. I think it's at 7 cents today or something like that. Let's see what it is. Doge. Where are you? Let's see. You know what? It's not telling me on here. And you know what? Quite frankly, I'm through with this. Oh my God. Let's take a look at CoinMarketCap and get the price of Doge today. I think it is 7 cents though. Okay, so anyway, yeah. So you saw me go through that looking like a goon, and yet it is in there on my Exodus. And I don't know why this is taking so long. Let's go here. Let's see. Reload. Reload. Let me bring it up on my phone while we're waiting. Sheesh. Some days, though, things just don't go your way. My Wi-Fi can get iffy. Your Wi-Fi can get iffy. Things just happen. So let's see. Well, now it showed up, but I'm already looking on my phone. Let's just do this. All right. DOGE. So, see, this is the kind of goony stuff that happens when you're looking it up, right? Yeah, it's 7 cents. So 5 times, not even 7 cents. Oh boy. So 0.07. Yeah, that's 7 cents. Duh. All right, so it cost me 35 cents to move that. I am fine with that. All right, see what happens even in my head? I'm a lot more savvy than this, trust me. However, you know what? We all have days like this where you're just trying to move stuff, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so here's my Doge. Here's the funny thing about Exodus, and I have to watch this myself. So I'm going to have to buy extra USDT, SHIB, ADA, because they don't like to move these small amounts to a ledger. But I do trust Exodus to a certain degree. So all I'm going to move on videos to come is my Doge, my XLM, Algo, and XRP. I'm going to move those over to Exodus, but that's, like I said, that's a whole nother video. So thanks for joining me. Sorry that took so long to complete, but now you know the process, and you have to remove your fee from what you're taking out And make sure you check your Exodus to hear that little crinkly sound that it's already coming in before you attempt to do it again like I did. Because, you know, like I said, I'm a goon. Now listen, would you watch these videos more if my face were on it? I just want to know. Because so far today, I just haven't felt the need to do that. But if you would like to see my face on some of the videos, I am more than happy to hop on and do a split screen so I can walk you through some of these things. You let me know in the comments, okay? Thank you so much. Love you all. And I hope that you're entering the crypto world because you're still an early adapter, believe it or not. And things are, it's looking like a bear market, but I'm going to tell you what, when things turn around, sometimes they turn around really quickly and you got to be ready. Okay, ciao for now. Until the next video.